What's up, guys? It's Free Amex, and I'm making a video because someone asked me to make a video. So here's my video. Um, all I'm going to be doing is jumping a dirt bike off the mountain. And nope, I thought I messed it up. Never mind. Alright, well, let's get this little stupid thing out of the way first. Back up a little bit. This man must have crazy leg muscles. Here we go. Oh my god. I thought I was going to be able to keep going. That was crazy. Alright, well, that was the end of the video. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Please like and comment. I don't really care if you subscribe. Just please like and comment. Have a nice day.